All right, well, Father's Day is 1 week away, and if you still need some gift ideas, we've got you covered.
Back with us, home contractor Skip Bedell, our old friend. Everybody loves tech.
So listen, Dad's Day, what do we get for Dad, right? So Dad, now technology. We have a million apps on our phone. Remember, you used to have like 20 remote controls?
Yeah.
Now we have like 20 apps, right, to control all our smart home.
still do.
So check this out. This thing is amazing. I love it, and Dad's going to love it. This is the brilliant smart home control. So this installs in just a matter of minutes. It replaces any light switch in your house. But what it does is it allows you to control every smart device in your house. So if you have a Ring video doorbell, you have Sonos music, your Nest thermostat, all the things you have apps on your phone, now you can do from any room. So for instance, you touch this screen and you have your climate, your music, your lights, everything.
Wow.
So watch this, my Ring video doorbell. I press the Ring video doorbell. Any room I'm in, it can show me who's at the door right now. And then I can also press the button to let them in on my smart lock. So it installs in minutes. What you used to have to spend like 20 grand to get your whole house
How
smart.
much will that run you?
This is only a couple $100 and you install it yourself. Wow. So the pricing is all on the site. But the thing is, you put it in like 5 minutes. No installation. Very, very simple. Controls all of your smart home devices. This thing is unbelievable.
I've been waiting till it gets really easy. So maybe
Dad is going to love that. So listen, we all know the most iconic tool brand in the country, Craftsman. They've been around forever, right? They are completely relaunched with a new facelift. They're available at Lowe's right now. Special pricing for Dad, like this multi-level workshop. Look at how cool this thing is. Dad's gonna love this.
Oh,
press a button, you got a rolling work cart, roll your tools anywhere you gotta go. They have the coolest tools right now, all from Craftsman. Like check out this mechanic set, 224 pieces all in one set. So Craftsman has kind of thought of everything. They have everything from rolling toolboxes, storage, hand tools, power tools. They even have this awesome Bluetooth speakers.
Wow.
So, the bottom line is Craftsman is back. They're back
Rick
in a
told us
huge
yesterday
way.
he can take an engine out of a car.
No, I did.
I
changed my engine in my
if you
Mustang.
have one of these tools, I think with this whole mechanic set, you probably could do it. Yeah, but right now, Craftsman came back in a big way. It's all new look, new technology, all available at Lowe's for special prices.
Amazing, Craftsman.
So for more info on all that, including pricing, where to buy it, visit skipbedell.com. And to see some of these tools in action, stay tuned.
Oh, yeah.
Because later in the show, we're going to have a little competition, a little handyman test.
It's going to be great.
For Father's
You guys
Day.
are going to love this.
Drilling, hammering.
We're going to see just how handy you guys actually are.
It's going to be tough.
We're going to put the tools to the test.
All right.